Y'all, this $5 waist trainer got my waist on fleek, honey. Get yours from the link below now.
Hi guys, so apparently AIs are now selling on TikTok store. Yeah, AI now have TikTok store affiliate link, and it's not just other AI, it's the AI that is mocking black people, like those gorilla AI. Some of them now have access to TikTok shop, and they are adding their link to their video. Let's watch some of their videos. Honestly, I am so very shocked. Guys, it is so very crazy. Let's go and see.
You guys clowned me in my last Dubai chocolate bar video because I ate the wrapper. I'm a gorilla, you fucking dummies.
Get yours now from the link below. They're under $10. And no, you can't eat the wrapper, honey.
Sometimes I want to. Sometimes I don't know how people reason. Honestly, I don't know how people reason. The fact that you're making videos using black people voice in a gorilla form show that you're a racist. Show that you are a hater of black person. Show that you hate black women. But then going back to sell something to those group of women you're mocking is the audacity for me. Like you create bunch of accounts, and they are all AI, and they are all gorillas, and they are speaking like black women. Then going back, having the audacity to go back and put link of wig you want to say to black people. Like you are mocking and humiliating black women, insinuating that we are monkeys, then going back to put wig link of affiliated wig on the videos where you mock them is the level of audacity. Like, this think that people are dumb? Anybody who is patronizing this page as a black woman, you need to be shaked. Like, if you actually buy their things on TikTok shop, you need to be shaked, because how can you buy this thing, this product, from something that look like this? People are audacious. Like, people have audacity in this life. How there's one she sell wig. Let me find.
Hey guys, I have a surprise for you. If you don't have your ears pierced but want to wear earrings, I have just the thing for you. These magnetic earrings from TikTok Shop are top tier, honey. Get yours from the link below for under $10. Hey y'all, it's Big Key. I want to do a giveaway for my followers. Comment some ideas. Love you guys. Guys, these glasses from TikTok Shop are amazing. They protect your eyes from screens like phones and TVs.
Get yours now from the link below for under $5. And
Who are the people liking these videos? I'm asking, who are the people watching and liking these videos? Hey, they post this video 9 minutes ago. And I mean 9 hours ago.
floor with your rude ass.
I'm going to a party tonight.
Like, they are
Hopefully there
bunking
won't be no
videos
drama
because they
because
do
I
not
will
put any
smack a
effort in
bitch.
creating these
Guys, these
videos.
extensions from TikTok Shop are so tea. They look so real and blend perfectly. Get yours from the link below, baby. If you work in the medical field like me, honey, I have a surprise for you.
These scrub pants from Pippi and Poppy are beyond amazing. So
Is the
comfortable. Get
audacity.
yours from
Guys,
the link
last
below,
night
honey.
when I checked this content, they actually have link to TikTok shop. Like, I was able to click on that link. They actually have link to TikTok shop that sell wig. Who patronize this? People are so audacious. Like, hey God.
So then, after I left the salon, I went to the mall.
Oh, for real? What did you get? This is so good, you guys. Look at this crab. It's so good. I put everything in this.
Guys, honestly,
Butter,
I'm so very
garlic.
shocked that this kind of content is up on a platform, on a social media platform. It is clear that the intention is to diminish the image of black women, because there's no way you can be saying all these things, police arresting you, do this, all those ones. There's no way you can be doing that with a black woman voice in a gorilla image. It's very disturbing, honestly. I know, like, I know that AI will be abused so heavily. When I check the latest AI around, like there's something I was doing. There's a project I was working on, and I wanted to do it with AI. And I actually buy AI app and got to see that these AIs look like human beings and they talk like human beings. I feel like people will abuse this thing. I feel like people will abuse AI. A lot of racist people who do not have means to come up and share or say a lot of things they feel about black people, they will be under their computer to put this kind of content out to just mock black people. There's no any moral uh, um contribution this thing has to the society, apart from making racist remark about black people. Secondly, I see that there's this intention they have to take black women out of content creation and also out of influencing, because how can you make a lot of like bunch of influencers who are now selling on TikTok, like they are selling on TikTok shop. They are now selling things, wigs on TikTok shop. There's no how you want to go heavy on that on a particular group of people. If you make AI who can replace black women, that means the real black women will run out of will not be in business again. But again, I still feel like it is the responsibility of any black person not to follow that account. Number one, whether they are doing it in their no matter how, like, as long as it's AI who is impersonating black woman, it is the responsibility of black women or black people not to follow the account. I watched a video of this black girl that said that she actually followed one of the accounts. I said, why will you follow the account? People who are trying to take you out of business. Secondly, it is your responsibility as a black person not to patronize this account. How can you buy something that AI recommends for you? A gorilla AI that is a gorilla. Yes, a gorilla AI that is mocking you. Then they are selling wig for you. They are telling you that they bought this wig on TikTok store, that you should go to TikTok store and buy the wig. They actually put link. You want to sell something to black people, you use AI and use AI mock gorilla, and after mocking them, then you go back again and be like, I bought this wig from a TikTok store, you should go and buy. Guys, I want to know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, I feel like
I mean, everything.
I can teach you how to be an AI influencer too. Thank you. Thank you all so much for having me. It's truly an honor to be here tonight. I'm at this luxury mall and these old white folks keep looking at me like I'm crazy. Child, I do not care. First stop, Chanel.
I think I'm gonna buy this one.
Child, this sales associate kept acting like I couldn't afford to shop there. So I had to buy out the whole store.
Hey loves, so I have a little favor to ask. I'm so close to finally joining the Creator Fund on TikTok, and I'd absolutely love your support.
While y'all out here giving Beyonce all your money, they in the White House working for everybody but the people that voted them in there. Oop. On my way to get this wig installed. If she fuck up my lace, I'm fighting IDC. If this wig don't give what it's supposed to give, I'm flipping a chair, respectfully.
She got one more yank before I swing. I'm not playing it.
Oh yeah, I'm somebody's problem now.
Too hot, my chihuahua got beef with a seagull and I still look cute. Look at her, she mad bougie too. She chasing me like I stole her bone, girl. All relax.
Oh my ghetto D, this shit got my throat fighting for its life. Why it tastes like delicious hellfire in here?
Y'all, I'm gonna get my hair braided for the first fucking time. If I cry, mind your business. And if I look like a little peanut after, still mind your business. Bitch, pray for me. If this braider snatch my scalp off, I'm suing. I don't even know if my little tender-headed ass is built for this.
Y'all, she got me fighting for my fucking life.
This ain't no braid, y'all. This is a scalp eviction notice, bitch. Oh, this? Yeah. First time braided and already feeling like I can ruin a man's life in 4 texts or less. PEROD. Okay, y'all, GRWM to go on this dumbass date. And no, I don't even like him like that. But I'm bored, my lashes look good, and I already shaved my legs. Sue! These jeans finna suffocate my kidneys, but they make the booty sit right. And if I gotta suffer for the aesthetic, then so be it.
Okay, date fit is officially done. Like, why am I this fine?
Face beat, outfit loud, attitude worse. I don't even like this boy for real. Catch y'all after, or maybe not if he cute. Bye. Okay, so today's the day. I'm finally getting my BBL done. I'm low-key nervous, but excited. All right, y'all, we're officially on the way. I can't believe it's really happening. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm a little shook, but I trust my doctor and I trust the process. Bitch, I'm really here. Like, I'm sitting in this little ass chair in this crusty little gown. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, that this BBL got me laying here like a rotisserie chicken. I cannot move, but the booty, she's sitting.
Okay, don't scream, but look what the doctor gave me.
Bitch, no, shut up. I know that's not you. Turn around again. Let me see that wagon. Okay, y'all, this is my first day back outside. I just put on jeans and, baby, who is this? I got hips now. Like, I need a warning label.